In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. If you want to make a PDF available on your Wix site, maybe for a brochure, a menu, a price list, or a downloadable guide, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I am going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Wix editor. To get started, open your Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click the plus icon, which is the Add menu. This is where Wix keeps the elements you can place onto your page, including text, images, buttons, and document links. After opening the Add panel, choose the Button section. Inside that area, look for the Document button or PDF button option. This type of button is designed specifically for linking documents, which makes it the right choice when you want visitors to open or download a PDF directly from your website. Once you find it, drag the PDF button onto your canvas and place it wherever you want it to appear on the page. You can position it in a spot that makes sense for your visitors, such as near a description, under a heading, or in a resources section. After placing it, click on the button so its settings appear. Next, select the option to change the file. This will open the Wix Media Manager, which is where you can upload and organize files used on your site. In the Media Manager, click Upload Media and choose the PDF file from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish completely before moving on, especially if the file is large. After your PDF has been uploaded, select it from the Media Manager and click Add to Page. Then click Done to confirm everything. At this point, your document button should now be connected to the PDF you uploaded. To make sure everything is working properly, click Preview. This lets you test the button the same way a visitor would. Go ahead and click the button in preview mode and confirm that the PDF opens correctly. If it does, then your setup is complete. As a quick tip, make sure your button text is clear, so visitors know exactly what they're clicking. Something like View PDF or Download File. That can help improve usability and make your page easier to understand. THT's all to it. Thanks for watching.